Hi everybody, my name is Sherry. Welcome to my stamp studio. So if you're watching this video the day that this posts, it's catalog kickoff day. Every time we have a new catalog, I have some extra additional loyalty rewards. So if you head to my website, you can see what those are. I can tell you what they are, I just don't remember all of the amounts. But I have several different levels, and during the course of a month, your orders will combine. So if you order more than once, it can bump you to another level. But just for the 5th and 6th of May, you can get a free shimmer pin in one of the new in colors. I'm going to pick which color. And you can also get free in color dots. So I've added 2 levels to those. So shop with me today and you can find those out. So we're going to walk through this just kind of real quick. I'm going to show you the cards that I do have from the catalog, and then from the online exclusives, the only thing I bought from those was the Silly Old Bittersweet, which kind of makes me sad when I go look at it because there's stuff I want, but I didn't even get to, there's probably still 6 or 7 things that I haven't used from this. So I wouldn't have gotten to them anyways, or else some of this stuff I wouldn't have gotten to. So with this catalog this year, Stampin' Up! Has gone to a new way that they will do catalogs. In the past, in the spring, it's been April, May, June-ish. Over the course of my 30 years, it's been different times. But there was one big catalog, and we called it the annual catalog. And then during the year, there would be 2 or 3 mini catalogs, depending on what era we're talking about. There were a couple of years where we had 2 annual catalogs, which that didn't make any kind of sense. That didn't last for very long, thankfully. But starting now, we'll go to 3 catalogs a year. So this catalog goes through the end of August, and then there will be a September catalog that comes out. So 3 times a year, we will get a catalog, and you will notice it if you have it in your hands, a little bit bigger than a typical mini was, and the fact that it has everything in it. But there won't be an annual catalog, so you just have to shop with this. And to be honest, once that holiday mini hit every year, people kind of stopped looking at the annual catalog. So this is a much better way to adapt to the way that we shop now. And then, of course, they introduce online exclusives every other month. So in the months where the online exclusives come with the catalog, I feature those a lot as well. So, and then in the other off months, there's other things. And the online exclusives just gives Stampin' Up! And the way the world markets have been, a little bit more flexibility as far as getting things in more quickly. If all of a sudden something becomes available, they can shove it to an online exclusive. So let's just take a quick look. You can see here are the new in colors featured. Very, very pretty. Here's the new shimmer pins. And that's one of the things you can get free. It's kind of like a Wink of Stella, and you know I'm a huge fan of Wink of Stellas, filled with ink that is the color of our new in colors. So a couple of things in here that you can just read about, kind of fun. It makes it more like a magazine. And then we have, it's grouped together by how much stuff it takes, kind of. So there's kits, which, you know, just take the kits, or there's stuff that you can add to. There's scrapbooking stuff, and it's all kind of spread out within here. So on every single page, you're going to see stuff that you can use and love, and stuff that you've maybe not noticed before because you haven't looked at a particular section because of the way the past catalogs have been arranged. I am glad that we've gone back to this and not the long ways. They were trying to make the long one so it distinguished itself from an annual catalog, but it was very hard to work with on my very cluttered desk. So here we're going to start with the suites, and the suites are pretty much where I live. These are my favorites. I will do kits. I will do some of the throw it together quickly kind of things, but this is really where I love it. So here we have the Bloom Boutique. Every year there is a suite that is in the new in colors, so that would be this one. You can see the new in colors here, and then it also has gold thrown in as a beautiful, beautiful color. So I do want to mention that I have an in color class series. If you buy the qualifying purchase, which is, I don't remember, it's stamp pads and blends and something else, then for the next 6 months I will get it going in May, but you'll probably get it in early June. In the first month we're going to do Peaceful Pine. So each month we'll focus on a color, and then we can learn how to mix and match and use that color to its fullest extent. So you can go to my website or if you're on my email, and there is a way to find out how to get that class for free. 6 month class, 6 months of classes completely free. So you can see here's a couple of things that I have done. This is the Peaceful Pine, and this is with this suite and with the paper. I love those pops of gold in there. Very pretty. And it has the butterflies, which you can see the in color butterflies are here. So when you look at the suite part, you can get the whole suite. And you have to remember that if any part of a suite goes away, like if the embellishments are on back order, then the whole suite shows as not available on our website. But that doesn't mean that you can't get the rest of the stuff. So if it says it's not available, you need to check and see what's the missing element. But then to get the pricing on a lot of these, you'll have to go to the page where that is the standout, which is kind of the way this new catalog works. So here is Bloom Boutique, pretty much as the suite shows. And then here is Bloom Boutique with some of the in color shimmer paper, in color ribbons, and the in color dots. But instead of white base, it has creme cake. And that kind of gives it a whole new look. And then let's take a little peek. So if they do have a scrapbooking workshop, then it'll be in here, but there's also other matching stamp sets. This stamp set's very pretty. Again, I was sad I didn't have it, but then I realized I wouldn't have even used it yet because I haven't gotten to everything. You can get the two-tone cardstock in the suite colors. A lot of that on the second page of a suite if it's offered. Not all of them have it. Then here is Waterside Retreat. It's very, very peaceful suite. And it can be for guys or girls or young or old. It's got lots and lots of uses to it. It will be my June card club focus. So here you can see, I don't have the embellishments on this one because there was already a lot going on. It didn't have room to fit an embellishment. And so many of these cards, I feel like, oh, I wish I could show you that, but they're my Try It class cards. So they're just for Try It class. So here is May Card Club. We are using Valley and Bloom. Colors in it are beautiful. Dyes are beautiful. It's just a really, really pretty suite. So you can go watch this video. I think I will tell you if it doesn't have a video because some of these my friends have given me or they designed and I made. So there's no video. And then this one, but these are both my creations. So you can find those. So that is May Card Club. If you're interested in finding about my online card club, go watch that video and you can learn more. And it does have a scrapbooking workshop kit. And here with this two-tone cardstock, I love it because it's got that really pretty folder. And you know, you can sand those back because the two-tone cardstock has a white core. And then there's also this specialty paper that I have not used yet, but you can see that you can sponge over the top of it. It's right here. And it has images from the stamp set kind of raised up on it so they'll resist. One of the things I haven't gotten to. Then here is Scenic Coast. The paper on this one is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And you can see how pretty the paper is on these projects. And both of these are on my YouTube channel. Then we have Beautiful Ordinary Life. These are not cards that I designed. This one has the super fun stamp that makes this library card. But if you notice, it's not here. This is all borders. I didn't get this one. But if you flip over here, if I can separate my pages, there you go. In how I told you there's things that are a little over here, you'll see that die there. And that's also where the butterfly is. So both of these cards, nope, that one doesn't use the small butterfly. My daughter used the small butterfly in hers. Oh, here it is. It's embroidered in Beauty. So this is the paper. Now I'm on the wrong page again. Bordered in Beauty and Beautiful Ordinary Life. So the bordered one has a bunch of borders that you can just add borders to. And then the other one has that great stamp and die. I still want it every time I see it. Then this is a fabulous suite. Velvet Meadow. And it has flocking, velvet flocking on all the cards, or on all the paper. So you can see on this one, it's the white. Some of it have a huge amount of flocking and some of it have a little bit less. And then this one is really simple to put together because it's just two-step stamping and you cut them out. And then you end up with a really, really pretty card. So you can see some of these are like just covered in flocking. And then you can also get some velvet paper if you would like to do your accents in velvet as well. And you can cut your dies out of that. Really, really unique suite. Then we have the Moonlit Flora. I would like to do this one for Card Club, except the dies are kind of a lot to have to cut out. So I'm not quite sure how we would do with the dies. So we'll see later in the summer. But the paper on this one is fabulous. The color combination, look at those colors together. It's so pretty. So these two are made with the suite and the paper, the folder. And then this one here uses one of the new, I'll show you in a second, new impression plates and some in color, but it has that folder back there. So the folder is the Fern and Flora folder. The embellishments for this suite are really pretty as well. And then I think that might be the last suite. Yep. So here's the impression plate. It is one of the things that I have slated in my stack that will be featured this week. But this one is the Opulent Oasis. So to use the impression dies, you need to have this impression plate, which they call it a plate, and it's really a piece of rubber. I thought maybe mine was laying here. They also attract every little bit of static that you may have in your house. But you can see if they use impression dies, it will say impression dies. So both of these do. This is the one that was just on this card here. The Frames and Phrases bundle. So now once you've gone through the suites, you hit the bundles. So here you will find everything that comes stamps and dies together. And when you do those, then you get a little bit of a discount. So you can see some of these, you'll see if it is new, it has the N. But this one is the Opulent Oasis, and it will be, you'll get to see it this week. And then I just put these in here because I wanted to show you how giant the balloons are. Because you see this and you're like, oh yeah, there's some balloons. And the big balloon is banner size. Like that's a huge balloon. The other ones are missing because they are on my Try a Class card. But you can see that largest one is very, very large. So obviously these things in here are not to scale, which is kind of obvious because they're tiny. And then here, I put this back here so you could see the new punch, and then also the All Flutter bundle. And this one is mixed with the product of the month from April. So we used that eyelet die as a folder, might look, but we used it with the impression plate, which keeps it from poking through the paper. So that's a fun little technique, and one that I was hoping to get to, just didn't make it. You can get the positioner now. If you don't have the Stamparatus, then you might want to pick that up. If you have the Stamparatus, you really don't need another one. Just being honest, because it does the same thing. And then back here, we get to where the stamps are. So we had bundles, and then we have stamps, but if it is part of a bundle, you will see it here. These are just larger, so you'll be able to see what's in it a little bit better. And of course, all of this stuff, you can go to my website and look on the website if you want to see it even larger. But it makes it a lot easier to read the words when they're up here. But if it is part of a bundle, like this one is, it will say bundle. And if it's not, then you know this is just a standalone stamp set. So they have really taken care to make sure everything in here is featured really well. And then we get back to our tools. And here's just a standalone or dies. They may have a bundle, and again, it will say it. If it's in a suite, it will say it's in a suite and a bundle. If it's in nothing, like here's a one that's not new. It's been out for a while, so it's no longer part of a bundle or suite, but it's those postage dies. So it just kind of depends, but you can tell quickly and easily if it's part of something else. It's the punches and the folders. Okay, and it looks like, I do want to say, it looks like we have hardly any folders, right? But it's because a lot of the stuff that will carry over will be found on the website and not in print. So just keep your catalogs. I suggest that you, if you're on my email list, then you'll get the PDF emailed to you that has the May online exclusives. So in May and July, print those out and maybe just staple them to the back of a catalog like this, and then you'll know everything that came out, and just keep them together like this. It'll take a little less space too when you have it in this format and not the online exclusives. But I've had a couple of people ask why we don't have anything anymore. We still have them, they're just online, and then you can go see what, and again, it keeps Stampin' Up! Kind of, they can monitor the quantity and see if something needs to be kept or if it needs to go away when it's not taking up space in the catalog. Then this artisan sketch paper, fabulous. but the only card I've made with it is in Try It class. I will get to it. So you can see all the paper. You can see all the two-tone that comes in sets, but you can get two-tone paper in any of the colors. And then here is that Luxe paper that goes with the Valley in Bloom. Anything that is new, we had these a long time ago, the 4x8 solo bags, and they're back. But if it's new, it will have that N. Here's the velvet paper. And then this one, I have, so back here's a lot of the mix and match where the stuff already pops out. It's already pre-stamped for you. This is the Everyday Essentials paper. And then here's all the mix and match. So you don't even need to stamp this stuff. Then over here we have some of our memory keeping, which is a little bit of an odd page because you have your memory keeping, but then you have the fabulous white gel pens. And that is what I used to color in the Lily of the Valley. So you get two of them, 2 gel pens, and they work really well because, you know, gel pens can be hit or miss. So these are a hit. And then we do have the new basic black hybrid pad. If you have a Memento and a StazOn, this replaces both of those. Those are getting harder and harder to source for Stampin' Up, so they came out with a new one. I haven't fallen in love with it yet. It doesn't mean that I won't, but I had some issues the first couple of times I used it, so I just went back to the things that I know and love. But a lot of people have used it a lot and are really happy with it. So it's, if you wear nails, then the pad can be a little bit difficult to open because you have to push on it. Then we have new embellishments. The only new ribbon we have is the in colors, but again, there's other ribbon on the website, so you can always go there and look. I think that's probably about it. When you get the Stampin' Positioner, if you do get that, make sure you get the grid paper. The first time I ordered mine, I didn't get the grid paper, so then I had to wait for that to come in. Actually, a girlfriend had some extra. And then here we have all the in colors. The new magnetic pad, which does do this. If it's laying on top of your dice, it brings them along with. But these are so nice. So nice. I wasn't thrilled because I hate change. And I already had all that stamp pads in the other format. So this year you can get these in the in colors. And then next May of 2027, you can replace the current colors if you would like. And there will be a color refresh next year. We do that about every 5 years. So we are due for one. And they've already told us it's coming, which means some colors may leave and then other colors that are brand new may slot in, or past in colors may slot into a permanent position depending on how they all mix and match. But starting next year, all the pads will be magnet like this. And once you get them, if you're like me and you're like, no, I'm not changing mine, because why? We already have them, right? But once you use them, you're like, oh, I really, really like that. And then back here's where you can find all the in color stuff. And remember, I have that in color class. And then for the one thing that I did get, the one thing I got, I truly, truly love, is a Silly Old Bear. I have 2 of these here. And I do have a free class with it if you purchase the suite. So I don't know how long the suite will be available before it goes on back order. So you can purchase the suite, get the class for free. The part of me purchasing the suite over for you will be over at this point. Or you can just purchase the videos, or you can purchase a party add-on pack. So there's a bunch of different ways that you can do it. And this is just simply charming, this suite. And if you're in my card club, then you are going to get bonus projects for both the Pooh and the in color class if you do that as well. So this is the start. It's not even close to being finished, but the start of what the club people will get when they do the Pooh class. So there you go. Head to my website, find out all the details. There's new product of the month. There are, for me, there's a new Create With Us tutorial bundle. You can see all of my levels for loyalty rewards, and have fun. Happy shopping. I love new catalog days. They're my favorite. Have a great one. Bye.